So let me ask you guys something. Are you tired of blending in with the crowd and looking for a case that truly stands out? Look no further than Andobil's Easy Relax Rotary Stand Phone Case. This case is not only different and unique, but it also offers everything Apple's official first-party, overpriced cases have to offer and more. With better durability, a design that sets you apart from the rest, an adjustable 360-degree stand, and the most unique feature of all, a dual-sided magnet. Andobil's rotary phone case is the ultimate iPhone accessory that combines style, functionality, and convenience. What's going on, everyone? I'm your host, TheJuan&Only, and today I want to put you guys on with one of the freshest cases for your iPhone currently on the market. Like I mentioned, this case is a hot fire. It's super unique, and honestly, the fact it's cheaper than Apple's official cases and offers more upfront already tells you everything you need to know. So before we begin, I want to give a massive shout out to the sponsor of this video, Andobil, and if you're interested, definitely check out the codes down in the video description to score 50% off of your order. Alright, so without further ado, let's begin. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's go over a really quick unboxing, because I really do enjoy the minimalism here, and there's an extra goodie in the box that you do get with Andobil's cases that you won't get with Apple's. So here we have a white box with the company logo up top and 3x stability, letting you know this case is top tier and will offer you some of the best protection on the market. So the case itself is shrouded in this frosted plastic that protects it during shipment, but we'll move that off to the side for now to see what else we find inside. We find a little card that shows us how confident Andobil is in their product. They have a QR code. In the event you're not happy with your purchase, you can hit them up so they can make it right for you. And additionally, they provide you with a branded microfiber cloth. And so now, getting back to the star of the show, here is the case itself, and it's looking super dope already. This is the black color, and as you can see, it has this iconic ring surrounding the portion for wireless charging because, yup, you guessed it, this case supports wireless charging and any MagSafe accessory just like Apple's cases do. And then flipping over to the back is our super useful rotating stand that I'll cover more in detail in just a second. Now, Andobil was nice enough to send me both colors, so you can opt for this translucent black option with dope accented black borders, or you can go for the clear option to show off the color of your iPhone. Really, it comes down to personal preference, but I truly dig the clear case so I can show off that nice purple color of my iPhone. And like I said, the microfiber cloth is there for whenever you want to wipe away any fingerprints. When it comes to durability, Andobil's Easy Relax Rotary Stand has got you covered. Its robust design ensures that your iPhone stays protected in all situations. Not only does it provide easy access to all ports, but the exposed speaker grill guarantees crystal clear audio. The volume up and down button as well as our sleep button are all very clicky and extremely responsive, just what you'd expect from a quality phone case. Plus, the front lip around the perimeter of the glass adds an extra layer of safeguarding against front face drops. With the Andobil case, you can confidently take on your day knowing that your iPhone is well protected. And even better, on the back, your camera module is also secured by having a raised lip as well, so that your iPhone cameras aren't put into risk while sliding it on a table or something. Which, speaking of the back, Andobil's case's claim to fame is the circular ring on the back that effortlessly rotates, allowing you to prop up your phone at any angle. The range of articulation provides a ton of versatility. Whether you prefer a lower angle closer to the table or a higher elevation, or perhaps you might want it in landscape and then switch into portrait mode, this case covers all angles, giving you the freedom to find the perfect viewing position for your needs. One of the most impressive features of the Andobil Rotary Stand phone case is its built-in dual magnet. This powerful magnet allows you to conveniently attach your iPhone to various surfaces, such as your fridge. It's literally one of the most intuitive and creative features I've ever seen on a phone case. Imagine effortlessly FaceTiming with someone while cooking, completely hands-free. This one-of-a-kind feature sets the Andobil case apart from Apple's first-party cases, making it a standout choice for those seeking versatility and convenience. And before you ask, Yes, like I mentioned at the start, any Qi wireless charger is still fully supported, as well as all of your favorite MagSafe accessories. So rest assured, this case was imagined to cover all your needs and everything you would come to expect from an awesome, modern, and good-looking case. So guys, please tell me what's not to like here. These cases are extremely durable, look great and unique, have a rotating stand and a built-in magnet, and all for less than Apple's first-party cases? This one is a no-brainer. You need to check these cases out. Again, there are codes in the video description that you can use right now to score 50% off. You know I always keep it real with you guys on my channel. If something isn't worth y'all's time, I'll tell y'all up front. But I'm here to say that these cases are some of the freshest I've seen within the iPhone accessory space. Again, I'd like to thank Andobil for this collaboration and definitely drop you guys' thoughts down in the comment section below. That's been it for now. As always, make sure to stay hydrated, and I cannot wait to catch you all in my next video.